Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosie, and if you're new here and love nails like I do, feel free to subscribe. So getting into this video, I am just finishing my after application filing so that we can get right on to the design. So I'm sure you know by the title already, but after I finish the nails, in the second half of this video, there is going to be my nail room tour. That's why I didn't focus on the application or the prep or really the filing in this video, because I just wanted to really get the design in the footage, because Born Pretty had sent me a couple products to try and review for you guys, but I will get on to that. So now that filing and buffing is over, we can finally get onto the actual design. I took my dotting tool, placed a dot in the middle of where I want my flower to be, and then 5 dots placed strategically around said dot, and then 2 dots on each side of the dots around the dot. And then with my Profiles Backstage detail brush, I am slightly dipping it into the gel. I don't want a whole lot on my brush, as there is still dots on the nails that have product that can be dispersed. So I am just dragging down from the outside edge of the 2 dots first, and then dragging from each side of the middle dot just to create the hibiscus petals. Just a disclaimer, these are not the best hibiscus flowers ever. This is really only my second time doing them. I had a client just before I recorded this who wanted hibiscus flowers, so I got to do hibiscus flowers on her for the first time. I will include a picture of her set. As you can see, her leftmost flower looks horrible. That was the first hibiscus flower I ever did. And then the second one, I put the dot in the middle and I was like, oh, this really helps, so let me do that from now on. And it really made a big difference. But she really just inspired me to record for you guys and do hibiscus flowers. I was originally going to do like melty smiley faces with these, but then I decided hibiscus flowers on this color that I chose for the acrylic would be absolutely perfect. I kind of wish that I would have switched the colors I used for the flowers and the dots that I do around the flowers, but I still feel like it looks pretty this way. Also, a little disclaimer for this video, she does only have 4 nails, but she was able to pop them off literally right after we were done, and I got to put them in my little nail vase that I keep all of my clipped off nails, plus like some pop off nails that I've done like this, and nails from my silicone practice hand. So now I am moving on to the random little dots that I did on the nails. I did not tell y'all what color I used for the hibiscus flowers, so I'm going to right now. They are the Born Pretty metallic drawing gels. The flowers are done in the color Cyberpunk, and then the little dots that I'm doing at the moment are out of the color Battle Angel. And then I actually decided to change the dot in the middle of the flower to the last color they sent me, just to use all of them, and I thought it added a really pretty touch. This color is called Alchemist. So after everything has 100% cured in the lamp, I am going over with just some gel top coat to seal in the design and make it look all nice and shiny, and then cuticle oil, of course, for taking pictures. But before I add the actual reveal shots / pictures for you guys, there is going to be the nail room tour. It is about 7 minutes long, so if you guys really don't want to see it and want to skip it, I shall add time cards on the video just before it starts so that you guys can just go right on to the pictures. But since I won't talk to you guys again before the pictures, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments. Also, suggest some video ideas. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss one of my videos. Okay, see y'all in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, so we're gonna do a little nail room tour. Right here, we've got our snack cart, and I've got some lotions on top, and we've even got snacks inside. And this is where all the magic happens. This is my client seat, my seat. I also have all of my acrylics up on top of here with just some extra things I may need. Got my foil flakes, my practice hand, some lovely Kiara Sky glitters. This is where I keep a box of crystals just randomly. My nail ring for taking pictures. I have my tips here, my files, buffers, some random crystals. I keep more crystals, and then all my transfer foils. I've got all my necessities, plus some stickers, and my calendar, which I need to do. And then this is my view. Don't mind all the stuff in the back. I've got my monomer, my acetone. This is where I keep all my brushes. So like acrylic brushes, polygel brushes. These are all of my most used things in the second one. And then these are all just some design brushes. I've got some cuticle oils, a little diffuser, some Carmex for my lips because they get dry. This is my rechargeable nail lamp. I've got a little brush holder Shall demonstrate, just like that. My dap and dish. These are my nail prep pads and sanding bands. We've got my nail drill, my swipe, and my cup that holds my drill, my dust brush, and my remote for my lamp. Here we have my footrest and the file I use for the feet, my trash can obviously, and then this is where all of my extra goodies are. I have a water bottle for some drinking, a candle. These are my little goodie bags for my clients. This is all of my old clippings from my press-on, from my hand. Got Lysol, towels, hand sanitizer, speaker for listening to music, and then on to all of the drawers. I shall start at the bottom. So in the bottom here we have press-on nail stuff to make press-ons. I have acrylic jars for mixing colors, and then I have the cuticle brushes, the bags, and the stickers. Back here I've got extra tips, swatch sticks, and the tape for the packaging of the press-ons. In this drawer, I've got my soak-off stuff and some extra dapping dishes, cotton balls, my airbrush system, my stuff for my press-on, for my practice hand to prepare it for videos. These, because I don't know where to put them yet. They are toe separators, and then I have more waffles, which will probably be used. And then I have my nail drill box, which could be used for storage if I need. And then I have a whole drawer just for myself. I have some gloves, cough drops, ace bandages to protect my nails. This is my alcohol bowl for my polygel, because I do polygel on myself. I have some nail forms in here, which I do not use because I don't like them. I have these glasses that have these lenses for seeing details, and it just magnifies them. I have some Carmex, some dry erase markers, some rings for taking pictures, gum of course, more file bits, my old armrest, and some of these, which I'm not really sure what I want to use them for yet. And here is where I have all of my 3D charms, crystals, what else? I have little beads in here that need to find a home. Just have a bunch of extra stuff that doesn't have a home yet or organization. I do also have chrome powders, some stickers that don't hang, plenty of crystals in here, even some dry flowers, and my rhinestone glue, which I don't use for rhinestones anymore because it does not hold them. I use it more for like the 3D stuff that I've been seeing all over the place. And up here, don't mind my little paper towel. I'm trying to save the trees. I have all of my gel up in this drawer, as well as just like some extra things. So I have all of my Born Pretty here. Rosalind is over here. This is just a random brand that I have gotten off of Amazon, but these are my reflective polishes. I have some gelish, and then we have Madame Glam and Nail Reserve. This is my little LED light, my Chiaroscuro gel liners, which I do plan to get more of. And then these in the back are Marble Effect pigments. Although I do marble just with gel, it's more for like the quartzy look and more natural. I do also have like some top coats and base coats in this mix, as well as like foil gel. I have 2 different foil gels. These are all of my Profiles Backstage gel paints and more Born Pretty stuff, which will be in the video that this is attached to. So that is pretty much my nail space. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. Yeah.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.